Hello, welcome to Morris Money, where we give you stock tips in under 5 minutes. I'm your host, Morris Willie. Today, we're talking about Esports Entertainment Group, or GMBL's, earnings. Tuesday, GMBL announced financial results for its fiscal 2022 second quarter ending December 31st, 2021. Now, let's look at some of the second quarter financial results. The company had a net revenue of $14.5 million, up $12.2 million compared to second quarter 2021, and a 11.4% decrease compared to net revenues of $16.4 million in the first quarter of 2022. They had a gross profit of $8 million, up $7.2 million compared to second quarter of 2021, and a 19.5% decrease compared to the $10 million profit in Q1 2022. The company had a gross margin of 55.2% compared to 60.7% in the first quarter of 2022, a non-GAAP adjusted EBITDA loss of $6.8 million compared to an adjusted EBITDA loss of $3.8 million in the second quarter of 2021, and an adjusted EBITDA of $4.3 million in the first quarter of 2022. As of December 31st, 2021, the company had a total cash and cash equivalent of $1 million, something I'll touch on later in the video. What were some highlights of this quarter? Well, the largest was in late January 2022 when the company received its transactional waiver from the New Jersey Division of Gaming Enforcement, and in early February fully launched its VIE.GG platform, representing the first opportunity to wager on esports events in the United States. The company announced the debut of Omega, a revolutionary new turnkey B2B solution under the GG Circuit brand that enables businesses such as movie theaters, shopping malls, and family entertainment centers to offer esports and other gaming options using an arcade model to deliver a guided end-to-end user experience. The company announced that it had renewed its partnership with the popular player Take-Two Interactive NBA 2K League in January 2022, and Stuart Tilley was named the company's COO in January 2022 after serving as the company's chief legal officer since 2020. The CEO of Esports Entertainment Group, Grant Johnson, had this to say on the quarter. Our fiscal second quarter results reflect a variety of challenges largely outside of our control, which together drove our first quarter-over-quarter revenue decline in more than a year. Now, something else I found interesting within management's comments was that they see the potential to reach annualized revenues of $100 million from their current portfolio of offerings. Something else I'll touch on later in the video. They also said, we are very bullish on the debut of LandDuel at the Hard Rock Cafe in Atlantic City on March 18th through the 20th, and believe their unique peer-to-peer wagering platform will expose Esports Entertainment Group to a significant and untapped market across many U.S. jurisdictions. Finally, the company financial outlook for 2022. The company expects year-over-year net revenue growth to be in a range of 317% to 347%, resulting in a net revenue of between $70 to $75 million in fiscal year 2022. The updated guidance range contemplates growth driven primarily by the platform building and strategic diversification acquisitions completed in calendar year 2021. Now, let's start breaking this down real quick. The company said that they have $1 million cash on hand. I am not happy with that at all. A company that's losing money and continues to lose money only has $1 million on hand, and the company doesn't project to be profitable for the next 3 years. This obviously would make any shareholder scared, and honestly, I think the next possible solution would be diluting shareholders to raise more money to stay in business. Personally, I like the company from a non-shareholder standpoint. The company has a lot of exciting things that they could do, but I am a shareholder in this company, so seeing numbers like that obviously has me nervous. I mean, at these prices, it might make sense to end up buying a couple more shares just in case we do go back to levels I bought at before, because I was buying this company at $14, $10, double-digit range. So now for it to be at $1, everybody obviously knows that I'm down tremendously. and price targets are only sitting at around $5 for this company with a fair value of $3 per share. So let me know how you feel about GMBL below. Please don't take this video as financial advice, and thank you for watching Morris Money.